Hi, I'm Ruth, and I'm a student at Eastern Nazarene College in Quincy, Massachusetts. Being a student here makes me feel really cared for because of all the individual connections that I get to have with my professors. I feel like they always want to see me how to thrive, not only academically, but in other areas of my life, and that just makes the student experience more meaningful here. If you're considering coming to Eastern Nazarene College, I would tell you to be ready to feel welcomed and loved by the community here. We're really a really tight family, and we cared for each other, and especially as an international student, I remember from my experience, I came from another country and the ENC community really welcomed me with open arms and helped me in the transition from high school to college, and also from another culture to a different culture.